Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the real values of x that satisfy this equation. Now, to solve this problem, let us start by expanding this bracket. We have 4x squared, that is 16x squared. Then we have 2 times 4x, that is 8x, times 3, that is 24x. And we have 3 squared, which is equal to 9. Now let us multiply these two factors together. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. 1 times x is x, and 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Now this is equal to 75. Let us simplify this. Here we have 16x squared plus 24x plus 9. And here we have 2x squared. 2x plus x is 3x. Then we have 1. And this is equal to 75. Now look at this. Here we have 2x squared plus 3x. And here we have 16x squared plus 24x. Now notice that if we call 2x squared plus 3x d, then 16x squared plus 24x is going to be 8 times d. Because when you multiply 2x squared by 8, you get 16x squared. And when you multiply 3x by 8, you get 24x. That means that we can now write the left-hand side of this equation as 8d plus 9 times d plus 1 is equal to 75, where d is equal to 2x squared plus 3x. Now let us multiply these two factors. 8d times d is 8d squared. 8d times 1 is 8d. 9 times d is 9d. And 9 times 1 is equal to 9. This is equal to 75. Now from here we have that 8d squared. 8d plus 9d is 17d. Then we have plus 9. Let us move 75 over to the left-hand side. We have minus 75 is equal to 0. 9 minus 75 is equal to minus 66. So this equation is 8d squared plus 17d minus 66 is equal to 0. We can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Since the coefficient of d squared is not 1, let us use the table method. What are the factors of 8d squared? We have d and 8d. What are the factors of minus 66? We have minus 2 and 33. Now, d times 33 is going to give us 33d. 8d times minus 2 is going to give us minus 16d. 33d minus 16d is going to give us 17d. That means that when we factorize the left-hand side of this quadratic equation, we have d minus 2 times 8d plus 33. And of course, this is equal to 0. And you know that from here, we have that either d minus 2 is equal to 0, from where d is equal to 2, or 8d plus 33 is equal to 0, from where 8d is equal to minus 33. And of course, dividing both sides of the equation by 8, we have that d is equal to minus 33 over 8. So now we have two values of d, which means that 2x squared plus 3x can either be equal to 2 or equal to minus 33 over 8. Now, to find all the values of x that satisfy this equation, all we need to do is to solve these two quadratic equations. In this first case, when we rearrange this equation, we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. We can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. The coefficient of x squared is not 1, so let us use the table method. What are the factors of 2x squared? We have x and 2x. What are the factors of minus 2? We have 2 and 1. Now this is positive, so let this be negative. X times minus 1 is minus x. 2x times 2 is 4x. 4x minus x is equal to 3x. So when we factorize the left-hand side of this quadratic equation, we have x plus 2 times 2x minus 1, and this is equal to 0. And of course, from here, you can see that either x plus 2 is equal to 0 from where x is equal to minus 2, or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 from where 2x is equal to 1, and dividing both sides of this equation by 2, x is equal to half. So we have two values of x. We have minus 2 and half. Now, in this second case, to get rid of this fraction, let us multiply through the equation by 8. 8 times 2x squared is 16x squared. 8 times 3x is 24x. This is equal to minus 33. Of course, minus 33 over 8 times 8 is equal to minus 33. Now, rearranging this equation, we have 16x squared plus 24x plus 33 is equal to 0. Of course, you know that this quadratic equation is not going to yield any real roots, but let us be sure. The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Now, b is 24, so we have 24 squared minus 4 times a is 16 and c is 33. 24 squared is 576. 4 times 16 times 33 is 2112. Of course, you can see that 576 minus 2112 is going to be a negative number. And of course, you know that when the discriminant of a quadratic equation is negative, then that quadratic equation has no real roots. So, the only real values of x that satisfy this equation are x equal to minus 2 and x equal to half. Now, to check our answer, when x is equal to minus 2, then 4 times x is going to be minus 8 plus 3 squared. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. 3 minus 8 is minus 5 squared. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. We have minus 1. Minus 5 squared is 25. Minus 3 times minus 1 is 3. 25 times 3 is equal to 75, which is exactly what we have on the right hand side. When x is equal to half, then 4x is going to be equal to 2 plus 3 squared. 2 times half is 1 plus 1. Half plus 1 is 3 over 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. This is squared. 1 plus 1 is 2 times 3 over 2. 2 into 2 is 1. 5 squared is 25 times 3. This is equal to 75, which is exactly what we have on the right hand side. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.